right, you should be on 435. You're doing 9.7. Okay. All right. What we were doing is something very similar to what we've been doing. All we're doing is adding 3-digit numbers. Okay. But today you can see that, look, it's just up and down, and they still labeled it H, T, and O. Those are abbreviations, right? What does the H stand for? Say it.
100.
What does the T stand for?
10.
And what does the O stand for?
1.
Very good. Okay. So all you're doing is find the sum. Someone raise their hand and tell me, what does sum mean again? What is sum? It's like, I want some of that pie.
No.
I wish. I love pie. It's not pie. What does it mean, Gianna? What's that sum? To what, though? The answer to what? You're right.
The math problem.
What type of math problem? Answer to an
Equation.
Yes, an equation, but what type of equation? Jay?
Subtraction.
Really? That's what a sum is? To an addition. Equation. Very good. Okay? So that is what sum means. That's what we're doing. We've been doing that. You know how to do that. Hello. We're up here. We're up here. Okay? Okay, so what I want you to do is, which place do you have to start with? H, T, or O? Which one do you have to start with? You have to start with this O. You have to start with it, or else it messes you all up. So I want you to try and find out what are the answers, starting with the O, the ones, 5 plus 4, and what it equals. Okay, I don't need to carry anything, so I just write down what? 9. Then my 4 plus 5. 9. And then my 4 plus 2. Okay, once you have your answer, I always like to circle my answer. So I'm going to circle my answer. Okay, all right, the next one. Start with the O, right? The ones. 3 plus 8. Now, wait a second. What is 3 plus 8? Someone raise their hand and tell me before we start writing it. Box, what is that?
11.
It's 11. Am I going to write 11 in that one box?
No.
No, I'm going to carry things, right?
Yes.
So I'm just going to write it over here. 11, right?
Yes.
That one has to go
There.
there. Where does this one go, Emma?
That one and the other one goes on the top, so above the 5, and I'm small.
Well, okay, you can write. The 1 goes right above the 5. Okay? Now, what's 1 plus 5 plus 1? Jax? 7. Okay? Now, do I need to carry anything over to the hundreds place? No, there's nothing to carry, right? Now I have my 2 and my 3. 5. Okay? 571. That's my answer. Circle it. Okay? My next one, I'm going to start with my ones. That's where I'm starting. Okay? What is 7 plus 4? Kaden?
11.
Okay, 11. I'm going to write it down here again. 11. So my first one, my ones place, goes in my ones place. Right?
Yes.
My other one, someone raised your hand. Emma told me before. Where does that one go, Ileana?
In the 10th place.
Right there, right? Boom. Okay? Raise your hand. What is 1 plus 2 plus 9? Ooh, that's a lot higher. 1 plus 2 plus 9. Whoa, that's a pretty big number. What is it, Chrissy?
12.
12. Okay, I'm going to write 12 down here. How do I write 12 now? Right, just put it right in that box.
No, put the 2 in the box. And
2 goes in that box?
Yeah,
2, okay. Well, where does that 1 go?
in the hundreds place.
It does. Wow, we regrouped twice. So now I have 1 and 6 and 1, which is 8. 821. I'm going to circle that because that is my answer. Okay. Now, what did you notice about this first one we did? Did we do any regrouping?
No.
No. The second one, did we regroup at all?
Yes.
Yeah, we regrouped from the ones to the tens. We made a 10. And the third one we did, gosh, we regrouped twice. From the ones to the tens, we regrouped. And from the tens to the hundreds, we regrouped. Interesting. Okay, that is kind of how they are different. Is there any ways how they are the same? Is there anything that we did that they were the same? Can you think of something how we did the same? They have different answers, right? We regrouped different amounts. What's something that all three of these equations have that are the same? That's what I'm looking at right here. How are they the same? Gianna? They're all addition. Very good. How else are they the same? Olivia?
They all have numbers.
They all have numbers, of course. What type of numbers do they have, Olivia? They all have what type of digits? They all have 3 digits. Very good. How else are they the same? Emma?
They all started in the ones place.
I love that. We all started at the ones and the tens and the hundreds. We started the same way. The operation was the same. The numbers were different, but we did them the same way. Okay, all right, let's go. Turn the page. Okay, so maybe you like today's lesson better. It's basically the same thing. It just is a little bit cleaner. There's no boxes. No boxes. It's just lines. Do I have to have lines? No, but I like it because it shows us our H, our T, and our O. It doesn't really show us, but we know hundreds, tens, and ones. All right, so let's just go ahead and try one together. 4 plus 8 is 12, right? So my 2 is going to go there. And my 1 is going to go where? Where's that 1 going to go? Athena, do you know where that 1's going to go? Good job. I love it. How about this next one? Oh my gosh, look at this. 1 and 8 and 3. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of numbers. Ileana, can you count those numbers for me?
Yeah.
How many is that? 1 plus 8 plus 3, not 10. 12. Yeah. 12 again. So I put that 2 in the tens. And I put the 1 in the next place, which is actually the hundreds. Now it's 1 and 1 and 6 together, Nico. 1 and 1 and 4 together. Did I say 6? Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. 1 and 1 and 4. I think I just added. That's what I did. What is it? 1 and 1. And then add 4.
6.
Yep, 6. 622. I think I just went there right away. Okay? I'm going to circle my answer because I want to make sure where all these numbers are, I know what the answer portion is, right? There. Okay? All right, just so I'm clear, just from the first one, give me a thumbs up, a middle, or a down. I'm just curious. Thumbs up, middle, down. Okay, let's try a few more together. Looks like we're doing okay. Over here, number 2 is 7 plus 7. I'm going to pick a stick. Maddie, what is that?
14.
14. So 14, make sure you make the 4 right there. My 1 goes all the way up. Now it's 1 and 2 and 6 together. I'm going to put a stick. Athena, can you figure it out? 1 and 2 and 6. Good. 9. 2. Yeah. 1 and 2 is 3
Yeah, 9. That's it.
and 6. Yeah.
I know.
Thanks. 2 plus 2. Kaden.
4.
Good job. So our answer is 494. Circle it. Okay, let's do one more together. Number 3 says 421 plus 354. 1 plus 4. Fox.
5.
Good. 2 plus 5. Nico. Good. 4 plus 3. Jackson.
7.
Good. Answer is 775. Did I regroup at all?
No.
No. Okay. Put your thumb up, middle, or down for these. Okay, put your hands down. Raise your hand. I know you're not gonna offend me. Raise your hand if you like this way better. Raise your hand if you like this way better than yesterday. Okay? Raise your hand if you like drawing the pictures better. Okay. All right, I would like for you guys to work with someone next to you. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I'll come back and check your answers, okay? So work with someone next to you. 793. All right, so what's the answer again?
790.
Okay, and I checked yours, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the answer, okay? Kaden, did you go from 1s to 10s to 100s?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, because that's what you're supposed to do. I'm going to do the same problem with my pencil, because I'm going to erase it. And I'm going to start somewhere else. 2 plus 5, 7.
No.
7 plus 1, 8. 9 plus 4, 13.
So that's
Does that work?
7,830.
Does that work?
No.
No, so I have to start where? With the 1s. Okay, if you don't start with your 1s, you're going to get a funky answer. It's not going to be the answer because that's the correct answer. Is that the answer? No. So we need to make sure we always start with our 1s. So if I did start with my 1s, my 9 plus 4 is 13. So I have my 3 and my 1. My 1 and 7 and 1 is my 9. And then my 2 and my 5 is 7. Okay? So that's why you have to start with your 1s. Okay? All right, so I'll show you the answers. For number 5, you should have gotten 601. Number 6, 552. Number 7, 917. Number 8, 948. And number 6, 676. 676. Okay, raise your hand if you got them all right over here. Good. A lot of you did a very, very nice job with all those. All right, if you did not finish them, that's okay. Let's go on to the next page and look at the bottom. It says find the missing digits. I love that word digit. Remember what digit means? It's just a number. It's one number. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is 10 a digit?
Yes.
No, because 10 is made up of 2 digits. It's not a digit. All right, so we have our 1s. That's 5. We have our 10s. That's 10, right? 6 plus 4, so 0. And that would be up there. So what's my 1 and my 4 and my what?
2.
To be 7.
2. 3. 2.
But I have a 1 because this is 10.
Oh.
So it's not 3, it should be 2. You see why? Because you had to regroup. You had to bring your 0 to from your 10 to your 10s, and then your 10s had to carry up there. So if you put 3, you weren't solving the whole problem. Weird, huh? All right, look at the next one. It says 7 plus 5. What is 7 plus 5? 2? It's not 2, it's 12. So they put the 2 right there. The 1 is going to go up there. Up there. So my 1 plus what plus 1 is 5. Jay is very excited. 3. Jay, do you love math? And then my 1 plus 1 is 2. All right, my last one. This one is tricky, Nikki. 5 plus what is 0? What? 5 plus 5 is 10. My 0 is there. My 1 goes up there. Okay, so this is kind of hard because you have to solve it still. Okay, all right, turn to your next page. Rip out your homework, 9.7, practice.